Okay, today I'm going to troubleshoot the ribbon reverse on an Olympia SM9. Normal operation would be that if it's pulling to the left side, then the eyelet at the end of the ribbon will catch on this reverse here and pull it like that and reverse it to the side. First thing you want to do is make sure it's threaded correctly into there, which is between the spool catch and the around the ribbon reverse. So in theory, the eyelet at the end of the ribbon will catch on that and then swab it back to the side. So let's test that. There's the eyelet, catches, and now it's coming back to the side. All right, so now all that ribbon on the left side will be pulling to this side until that's all the way at the end, and then it will do the same thing and then reverse that side indefinitely until the end of time. So next thing we want to do, if that's not working correctly, we just want to test to make sure that the ribbon reverses are working. So when you flip this like that, it'll pull to the left. So let's test that counterclockwise to the left, and then pull this to the middle, and it'll pull clockwise to the right, and that's working correctly. Now, if that works correctly and the eyelet just isn't catching on this, then you just want to make sure that it is properly, if there's no rust or anything in there that's causing it not to trip smoothly. And if it does have a little bit of rust or resistance, then you just need to get the correct oil, which is, I use hops number 9, and put it on all those moving parts. Whenever you use this mechanism, make sure that all those moving parts have a little tiny bit of oil on it. Don't ever use WD-40 or anything like that. And if it's correctly and it's just still not catching, then maybe this is bent out of place a little bit, and then maybe just needs a little bit of help with a small bend. But you want to be very careful with that, because if you bend this too much, you can destroy it, and that's not easy to replace that. But that's the amount of clearance that you should have in between. And if that's just weirdly bent, then you can just bend that a little bit back very slightly if you're brave enough.